Start. Hi friends, my name is Saidul. Let me introduce my friends, Mr. Ravi, Raju, hi. Sridhar, hi. Stalin. Hi.
We are all pursuing BTech third year mechanical stream.
In Vardhaman College of Engineering. Actually, we came Jian Mission Orphanage Home. It's nearby Dharmasala Temple, Sulkaba. Let us enter into the orphanage home. Let me enter into the office room.
Let me, the one of the member of this orphanage home, and so tell me about who is the founder of this orphanage home?
Actually, the founder of orphanage was Mr. Prashant sir. Actually, he is out of station. So I knew some information regarding the orphanage. The orphanage started before 3 years and maintained by Prashant sir only. So totally 29 children and 2 helpers and 1 watchman was there. And children were studying on Boone School. The school providing the bus facility as well as whatever the extra expenses the school bearing. And the yearly expenses are 60,000 for 29 children. And they are from different places all over the India, and some are from Bihar and Orissa as well as Andhra Pradesh also. And the orphanage was taking the orphan children from different places and maintaining, and they're taking good facilities, providing good facilities for the orphan children and providing good books and dress and
I have taken information from the one of the member of this orphanage home, and he told that the orphanage home was started before last years ago, and the founder of this orphanage home was and his name is Prashant, and he is out of station. Children are studying in the nearby Boons High School. Nearly 29 children are there in the orphanage home. They are belong to the different places. They are belong to the different regions also. They are studying in the same school. Children belong to the nursery, LKG, UKG students. These students are very clever compared to other students. They are studying very well. School provided a school bus for them, and it pick up morning 9 o'clock and drops them at evening 4 o'clock. And the good thing is that they pray to God every day before taking the meal. After coming from the school, they daily have snacks and milk. This is what they do.
Jian Mission. May I know your name? Let me tell me about healthcare of Jian Mission.
Actually, I am from
Children.
Shimshabad only. My name is Naveen Kumar. Actually, I came for for the helping these children over here. Me and my friend Srinivas. Healthcare is very nice for here. Actually, Blue Cross members are came for every week or every month for over the children here and taking care of them. And also GMR staff also came over here for the helping children further.
Anyone visiting here? And now introducing about our watchman of Jian orphanage. And సార్ మీరు ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని సంవత్సరాల నుంచి ఉంటున్నారు సార్ ఆర్ఫనైజ్?
ఇక్కడ వచ్చింది మండలం వచ్చింది. ఇప్పుడు వచ్చి 15 రోజులు అయితే నాడు ఈ సంవత్సరం దాకా ఉండేవారు, 2 సంవత్సరాలు దాకా ఉండేవారు.
ఇక్కడ వెదర్ అంతా ఎలా ఉంది?
మంచిగా మంచిగా తిండి గిండి మంచిగా ఉంటుంది. తిండి గిండి మంచిగా కూరగాయలు చేసుకుంటారు.
మీరు ఇప్పుడు అర్జెంట్గా ఎవరికైనా ప్రాబ్లం అయితే హాస్పిటల్ పోవడానికి ఎట్లా పోతారు?
హాస్పిటల్ పోవడానికి అంబులెన్స్ సార్ ఫోన్ చేసి అంబులెన్స్ తిరిగేసి ఒక హాస్పిటల్ ఆ సారే వచ్చి బైక్ గిందరూ తీసుకుంటారు, చూపించుకుంటూ అట్లా.
అందరు మంచిగా పొద్దున్న స్కూల్కి వెళ్తే ఎప్పుడు వెళ్తారు? స్కూల్కి వెళ్ళి
7:30కు 4:30కు వస్తాం.
ఇక్కడ అంతా బాగానే ఉంది,
అంత బాగా
ఏం ప్రాబ్లం లేదు.
పొట్ల తిండి కొద్దివరకు 8 తిండి పడుతుంది.
Information about the watchman. His name is Venkatesh Vallu, and he is coming from
Kamam, and last 2 years he came here, and before that one person is here, he left over here, and in this Vision Orphan, our main management is the Prashant sir, and he is not here, he is present out of station. Total this organization was the handovering this Venkatesh sir, is watchman, and his daily work is going on like early morning the children are going to bus to school on 8 a.m. to 4 o'clock in the evening. So he is the handler of this to over the event, and in the evening hours the children over he was taking the total entire care he was taking over this, and evening the study hours, the food and whatever in this orphan, he is the take caring of these children.
Let us see the sleeping how it will be. Right? Sleeping room for the children, where usually they take sleep here. Right? There are 13 beds here. As well as it is a study room for them. They are placing some posters regarding to the their studies, the flowers, colors, and the alphabets, numbers, the fruits, birds, and totally the 29 children are taking the sleep. Among the 29, 12 to 15 members are the girls. For the girls, they take the separate shelter. They are having the separate room for them. This is the sleeping hall for the girls, and the bags, school bags here. These are sleeping beds, the separate for girls. And the cupboard for the separate cupboards, they used to keep the cloths and the bags, luggage bags, and they are having a separate room for storing their properties. Actually, it was locked here now.
Actually, this is a kitchen room where the food is cooked for the children. Let us enter into the kitchen.
నా పేరు భాగ్యమ్మ, భాగ్యలక్ష్మి.
ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చారండి?
తెనాలి నుండి.
ఎప్పటి నుంచి ఉంటున్నారండి మీరు ఇక్కడ?
4 నెలలు.
ఏమేమి వండుతారు?
ఉదయాన్న పులిహారం చేస్తాను, సేమియా ఉప్మా చేస్తాను.
ఒక్కొక్క రోజు ఒక్కొక్క
ఐటెం.
మళ్ళీ
మధ్యాహ్నమేమో కూర, అన్నం, లంచ్ బాక్సులు కట్టేస్తా.
మార్నింగ్ కట్టేసి తీసుకెళ్తారు.
అవును.
మార్నింగ్ ఎన్ని గంటల వరకు అయిపోతుంది?
నేనా 4 లేస్తాను, పిల్లలు స్కూల్కి వెళ్ళిపోతారు, బాక్సులు కట్టేసి
7 వరకు.
పాలు ఇస్తా, రాగానే పాలు ఇస్తాను. మళ్ళీ
they will get a fresh varieties of vegetables here. We can see the vegetables here. And there we can observe rice here, and utensils over there. Just now we met the caretaker who cooks food for children. Her name is Bhagyama. As she said that the head of mission will provide the fresh vegetables and everything needed for cooking. She wakes up at 4 o'clock and prepares food. As the children go to school, she prepares tiffin and lunch boxes and other before 8 o'clock only. So we have to appreciate her work. Even after returning, she serves milk for children. As we see that the children are healthy and clever than other students in the school.
Information from the children who are staying in this orphan. These are the children, totally strength was 29. Among that, some few girls are there, and there are some of the leaders here over here, and who are also coming forward in their studies. They are doing better in their education also. Some of the leaders, I will call them and let us take the information from them. And Lal Kishore. Lal Kishore. So he is a person, Lal Kishore. He is the elder one among them, and he will look after the children who is younger than him. And హౌ ఈజ్ యువర్ ఫీలింగ్స్? ఐ మీన్ ఎలా ఉంది ఇక్కడ? ఎందుకంటే చిన్నపిల్లలు ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు? ఎన్ని లాంగ్వేజ్ వచ్చు నీకు? 4 languages. He knows 4 languages. He used to explain them in their mother tongue, and he used to manage their children. He is the group leader for his group, and one more, so many members are there, that leaders, like one more leader, Priya. She, her name is Priya. మీ పేరు? నీ గ్రూప్లో ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు? 4 members ఉన్నారు. వాళ్ళ నేమ్స్ ఏంటి?
మరియం, అనిత, భర్త.
నువ్వు అందరిలో కంటే పెద్దనా మీ గ్రూప్లో? లీడరా? అంటే మీ క్లాస్లో బాగా చదువుతున్నారా? స్టడీస్ అన్నీ బాగున్నాయా? స్కూల్లో బాగా చెప్తున్నారా? ఎన్ని మార్క్స్ వస్తాయి? అంటే మంచిగా వస్తున్నాయి మార్కులు? హోంవర్క్ అన్ని కంప్లీట్ చేపిస్తారా మీకు? చేపిస్తారా? ఓకే. She is also one of the leader in her group, and she is looking after the four children. She knows she also knows the 3 languages. She used to explain them in their language, and she also continuing her studies, excellent job, right? This is information about
youngest in the batch.
Some of the youngest are in this batch, like
they don't know,
even they don't know the even
speak.
Right, even though they're not they don't speak, but some of the kids are there who are standing in front of the group.
ఓకే నిమిషం.
Thank you.